Walter here.
It worked! It's you!
How'd you get this number?
Emily left an emergency list.
I see. And is this an emergency?
There's a horrible noise coming from the evil box underneath the window. It sounds like this.
It's not evil, buddy. It's a radiator, and the heat makes noise when it comes on.
No, it doesn't. It's very evil. It's scary to look at. It's... Okay, I'm going. Oh, wait. Yes, it is. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Everything's fine. You were right.
I'm gonna hang up now.
I love you. We'll call you in 5 minutes.
No, but buddy, don't. You don't have to call me, okay?
I painted a picture of a butterfly.
Good. I'm gonna hang up now.
I tuned the piano. Okay, I love you. Bye.